When wiring the horn, it's not necessary on this Stebel to have them positive and negative. They can go each way. So the horn on the low will sound like this. If you were to wire it the other way, just to show you, still sounds the same. The high, if your horn's not sounding right, one of our most common things we find is that people's terminals aren't tight. So always ensure nice and tight terminal fitting. Once determining that the terminals are not an issue, you can remove this back plate and get to a tuning screw. Now this is what your horn will sound like if your adjusting screw has come out. Now all you need to do is adjust the horn and test.